Welcome to the tutorial about GDScript 2.0. As you see, this will be video tutorial, and we game developers who are working in Godot long before version 4 learn and use GDScript. But now from the version 4 of Godot, which are okay, of course, we have many changes in a GDScript. So this is not the same GDScript. This is some kind of GDScript 2.0. So we need some kind of tutorial for the beginners and for you who are working with the GDScript to know how to use GDScript 2.0. So this will be video tutorial for a start and before a start download latest version of Godot 4 from the Godot website, and we can start with the teaching. Thank you. So let's start with the teaching. When you start Godot game engine, you will get some kind of project window where all of your projects are listed in this local project tab. In the assisted library project are many other projects you can use later in your game development. Go to local project. For making a new game, click on new. For importing something you previously created, click on import. We will create something new, so click on new. After you click on this new button, you will get this create new project window. In this window, we need to enter the project name. We need to create folder. We need to pick a renderer. And after that, we can click on create and edit button. So first, write some project name. Let's create something like a GDScript tutorial project. After that, we create a folder. Folder name will be same as a project name. Renderer, we will pick compatibility renderer. This renderer is similar like we have previously in version 3, for example, using OpenGL, and supports desktop, mobile, web platforms. This is compatibility mode for everything. Mobile renderer is for mobile platforms as it shows, so less advanced 3D graphics, less scalable for complex scenes, and forward is for desktop platforms only and use advanced 3D graphics available. Or we pick compatibility mode, so let's click create and edit button. Now we can continue with the working. On the left side, in a create root node, let's pick a 2D scene. This will be our root node, root object for a 2D game scene. So, click with the right mouse button and rename it as a test node. Now we will add a GDScript to this node. Click on this micro button here. This is attach a new script to selected node. Now we have this window, attach node script with a GDScript language for a node 2D with a default template. Default template will give us some options, functions. Here is the path and some data here. Script path name is valid. We'll create a new script file. What we need to do, we will only need to click create, and we will get in our resource folder, we will get test node GD file. Test node GD file. This is a GDScript file. So now we have a GDScript file. Attach it to the node. This GDScript file is extension of the node 2D. Also, this GDScript file have two functions. For a function, functions is a good to know that they contain a code and can be called. This function ready is called initially. This function process is also called initially. We will work with a ready function. Process function is not needed in a beginning. Here is a comment, single line comment, called when the node enters the scene 3 for the first time. Okay, good. So let's keep this comment. Function ready. In a function ready, we have this pass. This is some kind of a command. Replace with the function body. So we need to add something here. Let's back to script. Now we are going toward making our first program. We will change this. And we will write something like the following. Now we have some line with the print. Print command is good to get some kind of output. Output goes only in this output window. So if we start this script and start this scene, we will get something in output. We can save this scene, or we can initially start it with run current scene, F6. Click once. And we can save this scene. The scene name will be from our root node. Because we changed the name of the root node, our root node will not be similar in every 2D scene. So our scenes will have different names. Let's click once to save. And now our game project started. Because for now we have only project window, but in the output window here we can find some initial things and some kind of hello world. This hello world is from our command, and the function ready, as I remind you, called when the node enters the scene 3 for the first time. So when this game object first time enter the game scene, this is happening. Everything in this function will happen. Thank you for watching. We are continuing in the next.